Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important ancient history questions. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. If you want to see my previous videos, click the I button to see my previous videos. Let's go for the questions. In India, Jainism spread during the region of Bimbisara, Chandragupta, Ashoka, Rajaraja Chola. The answer is option number B, Chandragupta. Buddha delivered his first sermonium at which place? Sarnath, Varanasi, Bihar or Uttar Pradesh? And the answer is option number A, Sarnath. Lord Buddha was born at Pataliputra, Lumbini, Gaya or Rajgirga? And the answer is option number B, Lumbini. The Buddhist texts were written in Prakrit, Pali, Sanskrit or Urdu? And the answer is option number B, Pali. A well-known patron of the Mahayana form of Buddhism, Kapila, Kanishka, Kumud or Krishna? And the answer is option number B, Kanishka. Here will be a question of the day section. The Aryans first settled in the region of which place? Give your answers in the comment section. The answer will be discussed at the end of the session. Let's move on to the next question. The famous Indo-Greek king who embraced Buddhism was Menander, Alexander, Poems or Porus? The answer is Menander. Which ruler of ancient India who towards the end of life is said to have converted to Jainism? Bimbisara, Chandragupta, Ashoka, Rajaraja Chola? The answer is option number B, Chandragupta. The district's line of demarcation between Digambaras and Swetambaras is about ideals, wearing of dress, religion or caste? The answer is wearing of dresses. Gautam Buddha was brought up by Maharaja, Mahaprajapati, Maheshwara or Chola? And the answer is Mahaprajapati. The first Buddhist council was held in the region of Bimbisara, Ashoka, Ajasatru, Simuka? And the answer is option number B, Ashoka. The extreme form of ahimsa or non-violence is practiced in Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism or Hinduism? The answer is option number B, Hinduism. The phrase "the light of Asia" is applied to Mahavira, Buddha, Guru Nanak or Ashoka? And the answer is option number B, Buddha. The greatest Buddhist council in 483 BC held in which state? Punjab, Kashmir, Bihar or Jharkhand? The answer is option number B, Kashmir. Who gave the woman an important place in their cult? Which is option number A, Kalmukas. Ashoka was much influenced by which monk? Which is option number C, Apgupta. Jainism was divided into Digambara, Svetambara, both or none of these? The answer is option number C, both Digambara and Svetambara. Buddha was born in the year? This is option number C, 567 BC. Which city is known as Jain Temple City? Which is option number A, Girnar. The fourth Buddhist council was held at, which is option number A, Kundalavana. The scarce book of Buddhism was, which is option number B, Tripitakas. The name of 24th Tirthankara was Rishabhanath, Mahavira, Siddharth and Joel. The answer is Mahavira. Nivarna is associated with Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism or Hinduism, which is option number B, Buddhism. Buddha attained moksha at which place? Which is option number B, Kushinagar. Doctrine of Ahimsa is a feature of Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism or Hinduism, which is option number A, Jainism. Mahavira was born at Pataliputra, Vaishali, Kudil Nagar, Kushinagar, which is option number B, Vaishali. Who held a religious assembly at Prayag every 5 years? Which is option number B, Harshvardhana. During Harshvardhana, a great Buddhist assembly was held at Nalanda, Takshila, Magadha or Kanishka. And the answer is option number A, Nalanda. The spread of Jainism in Karnataka is attributed to Chandragupta Maurya, Harsha, Ashoka or Kanishka, which is option number A, Chandragupta Maurya. The Indus Valley civilization flourished during option number A, 3000 to 1500 BC. The period when man used both copper and metal tool is known as, which is option number B, Metal Age. Coins made of metal first appeared in Harappan civilization, later Vedic period, age of Buddha or age of Maurya, which is option number C, age of Buddha. Which of the following is not the Triratna of Jainism? Right faith, right knowledge, right view or right conduct, which is option number C, right view. Who among the following was the pioneer of yoga? Patanjali, Vagbhata, Atraya, Virudutkanda, which is option number C, Atraya. The Greeks were driven out of India by Chandragupta Maurya, Chandragupta Vikramaditya, Ashoka or Bimbisara. And the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Which is option number B, Trishula. The Great Bath of Indus Valley Civilization is found at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Ropar or Kalibangan, which is option number B, Mohenjo-daro. Who was the court poet of Harshavardhana? Which is option number C, Banabhatta. Prince of Pilgrim was the name attributed to, which is option number C. Who was the first king to scribed the image of Lord Buddha in his coins? Kanishka, Ashoka, Akbar or Mahavira, which is option number A, Kanishka. Buddha and Mahavira both were Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Sudras, or Vaibhav, which is option number B, Kshatriyas. Question of the day session. The Aryans first settled in the region of which place? The answer is Sapta Sindhu. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to see my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.